So welcome back guys. Today we are going to implement the SEO. Let me tell you. So first let me go into the dashboard by using /wp admin, right? And now I will be going to provide you a link in the description. You just have to copy the link now and just paste it in your browser, and you will just open my drives, right? So what you have to do is just download it, right? Don't do anything, just download it. Yeah, and I will just download inside my desktop. Now you have to go inside the plugin, go to add new, upload the plugin, choose the file, and choose the zip file which you downloaded and click on install now. And just click on activate plugin. Now you will get the SEO, which is Yoast SEO. But let me show you something that what is the difference when you install the plugin from add new section, right? So let me just show you. I will not talk about it, right? If I go inside here, okay, so here you can see it. I will not say it because YouTube can take actions if I say that, right? But you get the point, right? What you got. Okay, so now we are going to go inside the SEO, right? And here you can see it saying me that you have already installed the plugin. It's because I have the hosting which just activated this. So what I have to do is I will just deactivate this, and I will just deactivate which one. Let me go there, and okay, so there is no problem, right? So what I will do, I will just go on features and just see the settings. Okay, and here webmaster tools, you don't have to do anything. Now you have to go inside the search appearance. Now this is where you have to edit something, right? Because Yoast SEO also helps while you write your post. Okay, so it's important. Okay, now here is the thing that you have to edit. Okay, so the title separators are okay, you don't have to edit much here, but the thing is you don't have to provide here. Okay, so here you have to provide the organization name, which is your website name, and the logo of your website, and just click on save change. And now let's go on the content types. Here I will show data in snippet preview, so just show it. Okay, it helps to rank your page in first page. So just click on save settings again, go to media. Okay, everything is fine, and everything is fine here. And yeah, enable the breadcrumbs, and for breadcrumbs and content type like post, so it should first come with, okay, so just don't touch it, I guess. Okay, and anything more? No, everything is fine. Now search console. Okay, I don't have to authorize this. Okay, so this is the basic SEO thing you have to do, right? Now this is not the actual SEO, right? Because the home page is not installed yet. Okay, when I install a new template, you will see a page called home page, right? So what we will do when we go on edit, right, the home page, you will find it right in below. See here, the Yoast SEO plugin just show you how your post will be going to show on Google search, and you can edit it, right? So this is just a tutorial on installing Yoast SEO on your WordPress, and this is the upgraded version, I will say. Okay, not right. So let's see you in the next video, and we will use it while writing post. So I will teach you more on Yoast SEO later. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.